Annyeong. I've just received a parcel of items, and at the time of recording this, it's Jimin's birthday, which is just perfect with all these presents to unbox. So let's start with the On vinyl, which is another unicorn find for me. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. As you all know, BTS don't release full albums on vinyl and very limited quantities of the singles. I'll leave links in my description of the DYNAMITE and Butter vinyl unboxing if you'd like to check those out. So on the front sleeve, we have the Map of the Soul 7 cover art, and straight off the bat, I can feel that the cardstock used for this sleeve is thicker than the DYNAMITE and Butter ones. We've got 2 tracks on this vinyl, which is great. I kinda wish DYNAMITE and Butter had side Bs as well, but that's alright. Down the bottom left side are the labels as usual, printed in the USA, and the barcode on the right. Oh, so this one comes with an inner sleeve too, which wasn't included in the DYNAMITE or Butter version. That's a nice touch for some protection in transit, although I have protective sleeves that I transfer all my vinyl to after unwrapping them. So there's a B side to this. With a different label design. Another nice detail here, so you can easily tell that the blue label is the track featuring Sia. Let's carefully slide this out. Beautiful. I'm just gonna slightly remove some of the dust and try looking for the run-out groove etching. There it is. We've got here 205036H2/A. Round the opposite side, MRP 2556/BHK2001-B. On the other side, it ends with H1/B and 2001-A. Now let's take it for a spin. I'm just gonna play a few seconds due to copyright claims. Next up, in the SOOP. While waiting for Season 2's merch, I decided to go ahead and get this green sweatshirt that I've been eyeing on since the last season. I don't know why it took me so long to decide. I guess there's just so much merch out there and I like to carefully curate what I collect, but I'm just glad it was still in stock when I was ready to get it because I really love this design. This is in medium, which was the smallest size available. I'll try it on later and see how it sits on me. It's perfect timing with the return of In the SOOP, and I'll have this to wear while waiting for my Season 2 order to arrive. I love the illustration on these patches, symbolizing the activities the members got up to in Season 1. The quality of the stitching feels really good and not cheaply made. The colors go well together and kinda looks like scout badges that ties back in with our bulletproof Boy Scouts. On the underside is a polycotton material and the patches are stitched on neatly. I was tossing between this and a weapon set, thinking I could use the weapon on any jumper I have, and it's also cheaper in price. But after giving it much thought, I didn't want to risk losing the badges in the weapon set if it came apart from the pin, so I thought best to get the patches already sewn on the sweatshirt. So this design is supposed to be a relaxed fit. I'm 5'2" and it sits just around my hip area in length. I think it's not too oversized. What do you reckon? Let's pull the sleeves up a little. I must say the material feels really nice on the skin. It's got that soft fleecy feel to it. And that's the length of the shoulder drop for me. I do have fairly narrow shoulders, but I think the relaxed loose fit looks nice. I've saved the best for last. This was first on my BTS merch wish list, and I'm just over the moon that it's now in my hands. It sold out before on Weavers and somehow was restocked in time for my ARMY merch pack membership period. I was just buzzing with excitement after successfully adding this to cart. For those of you who are not familiar with how the ARMY merch pack membership works, let me know in the comments below and I might do a separate video going into more detail. This was number 1 in the merch pack collection with 4 released in a year, and I'm loving the sleekness of this black packaging. Here we go, guys. Oh my wow, the logo die cut. That is just so neat. Hello there, the BTS ARMY membership poncho and blanket. Oh, it's so beautiful. I have to say, I got so excited about the poncho, I completely forgot that it also comes with a fabric poster, so this must be it. I can't even remember how the poster looks now, so opening this will be a complete surprise. Alright, let's take this out. Oh, a group photo! Guys, again, I forgot about the included photo. Oh, this is nice. Let's take a closer look. It comes in a separate protective sleeve, so that's good. I'm just going to carefully remove this. Wow, it's really photo quality. Let's try to focus in. There we go. I'm actually loving this shot because they're all just sitting casually and the colors in this will go really well with my room decor. It is printed on Kodak Royal paper and the quality is nice. This is an excellent photo for my collection. Now I just need to find a frame for it. Let's open the fabric poster. Are we ready? Taeyong아! Sorry, let me try this again, facing the right way. There we go. Oh, the colors! I love the neutral tone on this. It easily blends with home furnishing. The material is really nice, feels a little like microfiber, and I'm loving the styling in this shot. Casual white on grays, and Taekook in natural nude. The top corners have little tabs on them that you can hang off the wall. And I'll be honest, I'm not really a poster person, but I will try and see where I can best put this to use. Okay, finally, let's have a closer look at this beauty. The H on one side is ARMY and ARMY logo. And pretty sure the other side is BTS and BTS logo. We have a swing tag here with the BTS logo, and this purple, I have to say, is just stunning. I'm more a fan of deep purples, and this complements the black and grey perfectly. Also included is a how to use card showing the versatility of this poncho blanket. Let's open it up. The monogram BTS logo is so classy, and I already know I'll get a lot of wear out of this. There's the slit in the middle, and I think I might start with wearing it as a poncho with ARMY facing the front and BTS at the back. It is 100% acrylic and is one size only, measuring just over a meter in width and 1.45 meters in length. For my height, I can use it as a blanket that will cover me from shoulder to feet. Here's how it looks like as a poncho. Then to cinch in at the waist, just add a belt. Gives it a mini dress kind of look. It's great that you can also use it as a wrap to keep you warm on either side of the print. And let's see if it's long enough as a scarf. I'm just gonna fold it a few times over. It's not quite a scarf, but you can wear it as a snoot if you like a thick, short scarf around your neck. I'm now going to try having it fall on both sides with a belt. I reckon this will elevate the look a lot more. Now I've got ARMY and BTS side by side, front facing. Not bad at all. You can also use this as a throw on the couch to keep you nice and warm watching all the BTS content at home. I love when Jin, Suga, J-Hope, V and JK all had this on their lap in that episode of You Quiz on the Block. When I took the swing tag off, I also discovered this. You can use it as a bookmark. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's unboxing and found it helpful if you want to search for similar BTS merch. I'll be back with more. I think the next one should be the In the SOOP Season 2 merch. So feel free to subscribe to join my creative journey, and until my next video, take care. Annyeong!